Mastering Gainsay, elevate your English with this powerful word. Imagine being able to confidently challenge any statement, no matter how authoritative it may seem. Today, we're exploring a powerful word that embodies this ability, Gainsay. This sophisticated term is essential for those aiming to achieve the highest levels of English proficiency, particularly in academic and professional context. Word type: gainsay functions as a verb in the English language. Meaning, to gainsay means to deny, dispute, or contradict a statement or fact. It's the act of speaking against or opposing something, often with the implication of disproving or refuting it. Word history: the term gainsay has an interesting etymology. It originated in Middle English around the 14th century from the Old English word gainsaygen. The gain part comes from an Old English prefix meaning against, while say is self-explanatory. So literally, it means to say against or speak in opposition to. Antonyms: some antonyms for gainsay include affirm, confirm, support, uphold, and corroborate. These words all involve agreeing with or reinforcing a statement rather than opposing it. Synonyms: synonyms for gainsay include contradict, deny, dispute, refute, rebut, and contest. Each of these words involves challenging or opposing a statement or idea, though they may carry slightly different connotations or levels of formality. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use gainsay in various contexts. In academic writing, you might say, the newly discovered evidence gainsays the long-held theory about the extinction of dinosaurs. In a business setting, the quarterly report gainsays any notion that our company is facing financial difficulties. In a more casual conversation, I won't gainsay the fact that learning English idioms can be challenging, but it's certainly rewarding. In a legal context, the defense attorney sought to gainsay the prosecution's argument by presenting contradictory evidence. Common errors in use. While gainsay is a valuable addition to your vocabulary, it's important to use it correctly. One common error is using it as a noun, which is incorrect. For example, don't say that's a gainsay to my statement. Instead, you would say that gainsays my statement. Another mistake is confusing it with similar sounding words like naysay or misstate. Remember, gainsay specifically means to contradict or deny, not just to speak negatively or state incorrectly. Lastly, be cautious about overusing this word. While it's impressive in academic or formal contexts, it might sound overly formal in casual conversation. To truly master the use of gainsay, practice incorporating it into your writing and speech. By doing so, you'll not only expand your vocabulary, but also enhance your ability to engage in nuanced, high-level discussions, a key skill for achieving that coveted Band 9.0 score in IELTS. Remember, the power to gainsay effectively is the power to critically engage with ideas and arguments at the highest level.